Chopper on me, fuck a Smith & Wesson. Keep my weapon, heavy weapon. Chopper on me, fuck a Smith & Wesson. Keep my weapon, heavy weapon.
What up, everybody? Sanspro here. Sorry guys, I know I've been gone for a while, but I've been enjoying the Hyundai, been cruising it, going to meets, races, having a blast with it, man. It hasn't let me down, I had no problems with it. So I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with my work that I've done. But anyways, boys, we're at 1,000 subs, bro. Finally at 1,000. I've been waiting forever to get to 1,000, and it's all thanks to you guys, and you guys are the shit. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much. And for the comment today, from Caleb Appling, we have, I'm your 1,000 sub, bro. Hell yeah, dude. Thanks, bro. I know we're at 1,000. All thanks to you guys. But anyway, I'm blabbering on, going on and on. Anyway, this video, we're going to be putting on a vinyl headlight tint. I got chameleon color. I think it'll look kind of cool with the blue headlights behind it. So let's just get right into it and throw that on. And I'm going to the races tonight, so I'll probably throw in a little bit of that too. So don't forget to leave a like, boys. Miss you all. Thanks guys so much. You guys are the best. Let's get right into this video. Alright boys, so I've never done this before. I'm gonna use my blow dryer. I'm just gonna wing it. So hate on the hate, or like if you like. Kaya! Can I have it? Thanks, dude. Thank you.
Bye, Dad.
Bye. Alright boys, here it is. Let's open it up and wing it. because it's fucking hard as fuck. I know I'm doing something wrong, so I'm sure someone's gonna let me know. Oh, look at all this fucking, damn. It's just because of the shape of the light, man. It goes like this. Oh, fuck, I fucked it up. Well, I got extra. Let's try the other one. See if I fuck that one up.
It passed the first test. I didn't go blind.
Alright, boys. I royally fucked it up. It looks like shit. Like, bad. So now I know I can't do it. I know I did something wrong. But if I did, let me know, guys. I probably should have warmed it up more or cut slits in it, or I don't know what I did. But from far away, it looks okay, I guess.
Yeah.
And I haven't forgot about that 1,000 sub giveaway, so just stay tuned. I'm getting shit together, and you fuckers are gonna like it. It's gonna be sick. So don't forget to tell your friends, share this, whatever. But the more subs I get, the more better the giveaways are. I like to do giveaways. It's fun because you guys are awesome.
Cute, huh? Cute. Chopper on me, fuck a Smith & Wesson. Keep my weapon, heavy weapon. Chopper on me, fuck a Smith & Wesson. Keep my weapon, heavy weapon. Book a